The process for getting a blood alcohol test result back can be quite lengthy. So the first thing that happens is an officer takes a person to the hospital and has the blood drawn by a phlebotomist, and then the officer will take those vials of blood from the scene. The officer is responsible for storing them and ultimately sending them off to the Washington State Toxicology Lab for analysis. So in the beginning, there's a time period before the toxicology lab receives those samples. Once they arrive at the toxicology lab, the lab will store those samples as long as they need to, and ultimately conduct an analysis of the blood. After that's done, those results are mailed back to the law enforcement agency. So a variety of legal issues can come up when we ultimately do get those blood test results back, and the criminal case might not be filed until that happens, but we need to analyze and investigate these issues and determine whether the blood was properly handled when it was prepared for shipping to the toxicology lab, whether the toxicology lab appropriately handled and stored those blood vials, and then whether the proper protocols were followed in analyzing and testing the blood results. A blood DUI is always a serious case with complex forensic issues. An attorney who's highly trained and experienced in investigating those issues is a really critical asset in a case like this. So if your blood was taken following an arrest for DUI, you should call us right away and see if we can help.